Welcome YouTubers. Scratch building, weathering, construction and operations. I'm your host, Harry English. Like, subscribe and comment now. After completing the scratch-built bakery, it's time to focus on easy details which add realism, such as cars, grasses, and weeds. Using a thin wash of black acrylic paint, touch up the panel lines, grills, fuel tanks and exhaust stacks, and rims. Watch the paint as it flows into all the nooks and crannies. The roof and rear window get especially grimy. On the undercarriage, use a full-strength dark grey acrylic to simulate road grime. Just as well, a mix of black, brown, and light grey acrylic will do. Pay particular attention to the wheel wells, inside the mud flaps, and trailer hitch. Follow up with a light grey acrylic wash on the mud flaps and chassis to simulate fading, and allow to dry. As a final step, dust with chalks around the fenders, wheels, and tire treads, either light brown, or a mixture of yellow and white. Cars are typically better maintained, and are best suited to a light weathering. Use a black wash on the panel lines, wheel wells, and rims and tires. Small details can be touched up with dark acrylic paint, such as wiper blades. Trailers are no exception to the weathering process. Use the same acrylic mixture underneath the mud flaps and chassis, and around the wheel wells. On the roof and sides, a simple black wash quickly transforms this shiny new toy into another cog of the global economy. Any ladders or latches will be heavily used, and attention to these details really improves the overall look. After all has dried, give it a quick chalk dusting. This is a product called Wildgrass from Heki. Simply trim a bit, apply some white glue to the area, and gently press the grass into it. Touch it up with a stiff bristle brush. Small spaces can be stuffed with grass. Cut the desired piece and work it in with a thin strip of plastic, or a dress shirt collar stay. Afterwards, touch up the area with a brush. Weeds can be made from brush bristles, and different colors can be hard by soaking the brushes overnight. Trim the bristles to the length desired. Apply a drop of white glue to the layout, and use tweezers to install the weeds. Vary the colors and sizes to show different stages of growth. A piece of tissue dipped in thinned white glue and placed in weeds looks like wind-blown trash. To simulate debris, cut open a bag of black tea and crush the leaves between your fingertips. Gently brush into freshly glued weeds and grass, or sprinkle over thinned white glue. Thin strips of black tape, and coffee-stained napkin, simulate packaging nicely. Broken pieces of toothpick, dipped in black wash, make nice-looking wood debris. Using a piece of legging or hosiery, sift dirt onto thinned glue to create light spots. A simple two-rail fence made from stained wood, or a water shut-off valve made from styrene, can add a bit of visual interest to many industrial areas. Thank you kindly, and hope to see you again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment.